wreak havoc everywhere. When Sapraj will arrive, no one will be spared.
Huh? Charaki, we should not even try to bring the Sapraj at all. Most biggest demons are scared
By
of...
bringing Sapraj to Ronak City, we can take control of the entire city. Even Bhim won't be able to last in front of him.
Double, Toyland Trouble. Fire in Cadron Bubble. When Sapraj enters and creates trouble.
Stop all this!
We'll raise the light of the entire Ronak City.
Who has the audacity to call me amongst humans without my permission?
Hey sister, didn't you ask for Sapraj's permission while chanting the mantra?
Thought that you were going to chant the mantra for permission.
Sapraj sees us, then he is not going to spare us.
Both of you will not go anywhere. Send Sapraj back to his world. Come on!
Never!
People need you here now. We will go and bring Bad Witch and Charaki.
We will stop the Sapraj from far.
Sapraj, you have misunderstood. You have been called here by Bad Witch and Charaki.
Bring them to me or else I will destroy everything.
Raju, your remote-controlled kite. You take down these two.
I am getting beaten for so long. I am gone now.
You are making a mistake by striking us, Sapraj.
Have made a big mistake by attacking me, kid.
Sapraj, there is Bad Witch and Charaki.
Quickly open the door to my world. Now you will have to endure the punishment in my world.
The entire city, right? So now you will have to pay for everything you did.
This 500 years, nobody has ever had the courage to speak to me like this. You are a nice boy, Bhim.
I didn't have as much fun flying the kite as I'm having watching these two fly.
Look, Dholu, you better not do any cheating. I clearly saw you were trying to peep into Bhim's cards. No, of course not. Actually, I've been standing for such a long time. So I was just trying to do some bending exercise.
This is not fair. Princess Indumati can't keep winning like this.
That's a good news. Whoever wins is supposed to give us a treat.
Yes. It's
The field is clear now, friends. All the kids have left for lunch.
But where are we now? When we were packed inside the box, it was completely dark in there. Didn't you hear?
what these kids were discussing all this while. They were discussing our box of cards has been gifted to Princess Indumati. We are now in the royal palace of Dholakpur.
Attention! Her Highness, the Queen of Hearts is arriving in the court!
I am fuming with anger.
Why, what's the matter, Your Highness?
Did you notice that show-off Princess Indumati was wearing such a beautiful necklace? That necklace does not suit her one bit. That gorgeous necklace can only suit on a gorgeous lady like me and no one else, huh?
Yes, Your Highness. Whatever you said is absolutely right.
Your Highness!
Here I am.
I wish to have a necklace.
Understand, how can I get that necklace? It would mean stealing. To get that grand necklace, we would need to defeat the king of Dholakpur and then capture his entire kingdom. So it's not all that easy as you think.
Then do something about it.
Well, as you wish.
Be careful. Be very alert. Look over there. Those kids are coming back. Watch out.
If I'm not mistaken, these cards were kept somewhere else, and now they are scattered all over the place.
It's possible that a gust of wind blew them away?
His Majesty has summoned all of you right away.
Let's go.
Hey, how's all this possible?
The king of Dholakpur is now our prisoner.
Where's this sound coming from?
These are our playing cards.
Soldiers!
Raju, catch this! It looks like the four queens are still fighting amongst themselves for that necklace.
Hunting in the jungle of Dholakpur is strictly forbidden. Break this board. Let's go and check if any animal has got caught in the trap. Look at that. The cub is looking so helpless in our trap.
All three will be punished severely. It is very disheartening that, in spite of our best efforts, some greedy people like these don't think twice about harming Mother Nature or the jungles or innocent animals.
That's true, Your Majesty. They don't care about nature in the least.
98, 99, 100. Are you ready now? Not as yet. Ready, guys?
Not so fast.
I'm coming now. Aha. Where is everyone hiding? I could always catch them so easily.
this technique is not going to work. I have got to use my brain a bit and use this yummy laddu. Oh, I found one last laddu was left in my bag, friends. Well, this is the only one I have. Aha! Hey Bheem, you're out!
Anyone would do this for such a nice laddu.
I agree completely. Now this last laddu is all mine. Mine.
Well, not so easily, Jaggu.
Finally, this laddu is in the hands of its rightful owner.
In that case, I should be its only rightful owner.
So, you better admit that today is not your day, Bheem. Give up now. The game is over.
The game is not over yet, my friend. Because I don't give up that easily. Well, we may have just one laddu. But if you agree, we all can share it. Well, kids, there can be no shortage of laddus till your Tuntun auntie is there. Yeah, you can all have them. Yes.
Gosh, what's the matter today? It's so hot.
Different kinds of magazines.
Okay, come on. Let me buy one of the magazines. Well, that one.
There you go.
This will help me to pass my time well. And I can also use it as a fan.
Tuntun auntie, please give 4 laddus. Looks like you've got an eye flu. Please take care of yourself.
Huh? This is not an eye flu. It's a modern fashion. Well, I've got another idea.
Look at all the jewelry that she's wearing.
Huh?
Not a single soul around. Let's attack her at once.
Huh? How dare you! I'll teach you a good lesson. No one can act smart with Tuntun auntie. You'll cry for the rest of your life. Anybody around?
We are here!
Ma, what kind of clothes are you wearing?
Am I not looking smart and modern?
But, Ma...
Today you are not looking like an auntie at all. Look at you.
So, today my sale has shot up like anything. Money is just pouring in. Pots and pots of money. La 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 la. Ouch! Someone, please help! Help! You just don't need to worry. I have thought of something constructive so that along with fashion, we are also able to grow in our business without any obstruction.
Now what?
High heel sandals. Which helps you to remove things from any height. Well, then you wouldn't need a stool or anything.
If we snatch away her purse, she will not be able to stop us.
Oh, come. Just try and steal my purse if you have the guts.
Hope those kids are not around somewhere.
Forget the kids. Today you have something else.
Mummy, we had it.
Ma, hope everything is all right with you. These goons.
So, didn't I say my fashion would be so useful? I gained so much with the help of these high-heeled sandals.
Bheem, let us camp here for the night.
Hey, what's this?
You naughty lamb. How long will you make this old man of yours run around like this? What are you kids doing over here?
We have come here from Dholakpur on a holiday.
Holiday? And that too at this mountain? All you can see out here is just rocks.
Actually, this was the only place at Dholakpur which we had not seen ever. That is why, Uncle.
I must leave. Bela!
Was that a lamb or a lioness? This trip is not that bad, you see.
It's quite late at night. I'm feeling very sleepy.
I'll be on guard duty. All of you go to sleep.
Bheem is protecting everyone, even here.
Like he does at Dholakpur.
Let me do the guarding.
But Kalia...
Bheem, Neeli Pahadi's expert is Kalia the wrestler. I'll do the guard duty. Rest will sleep.
I'll do the guard duty.
What happened?
Kalia, we have been wrong.
Everything is gone.
Bheem, over there.
Come on, guys.
Shh.
Catch the thieves!
Kichak? You guys and here?
Bheem, look, all our camping stuff. These belong to us.
Oh, it's yours. Then take it.
What's the matter, kids? Why are you all looking so
The
sad?
Helwanpur boys stole all our stuff last night. They took away our food even.
Yes, and we are all quite hungry.
Then here you go, dear kids. Have these. Some wild mangoes of Neeli Pahadi.
The bag can be lighter if you give away some mangoes to us also.
Yes, we will also eat. Give me some.
Hey, no. Hey, my bag, stop
Enough,
pulling.
Teachak.
Come on, uncle.
You know,